Hi, I want to share Luke chapter 21 verse 33. It says, "Heaven and earth will disappear, but my words will never disappear." So scary, but yet it's true. That's why those of you who know what are the words of our Lord Jesus Christ will always be in our hearts and mind. And not only we will put it in our hearts and mind, but we need to follow it. Okay? Do something. Expound, share the good news, share those words from our Lord Jesus Christ. That's what I'm doing here on my YouTube channel. I am not after for the monetization of this channel. Whatever it is, I don't care, as long as I have 2 or 3 or more viewers to hear the words what I'm sharing with you. It's okay, and hopefully it will just go on link. After you hear this one, you pass it on to your loved ones, to your friends, to anyone, or even post it in your social media accounts. Just share what is the very most important and the most significant words written in the Bible 2,000 years ago, long years ago. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much, my friends, and hope to see you again on my next Reels videos. Bye, and God bless us all.